All right, let's do this. In the next 10 minutes, we're going from absolutely nothing to a fully operational AI assistant that you, and only you, own and control. No fluff, no messing around. Just a straight shot to building your very own Clawdbot. And real quick, before we dive in, if you love building cool stuff with AI, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to @BrandTechAuth right now. You're not going to want to miss what's coming next. So why are we even here? Well, maybe you're just tired of the closed-off, walled gardens of commercial AI. You want more power, you want more control, and you definitely want more privacy. It is time to build your own. Let's just put it side by side. With something like ChatGPT, your control is limited, right? And your data lives on their servers. But with your own Clawdbot, you get total control, complete privacy. It has a real memory that persists across every conversation. And, get this, it can even be proactive, reaching out to you instead of just sitting there waiting for a prompt. Now that is a game changer. So what is Clawdbot exactly? Simple. It's your own personal AI assistant. It's open source, it runs on your machine, and you can give it access to your actual system to do real work. You're in the driver's seat. So if you're a builder who wants an AI with real-world access, or you're a creator trying out autonomous agents, maybe you're a dev who just loves open source, or you're just curious about what a truly personal AI can do, then yeah, you are in exactly the right place. All right, let's get into it. Section 1, building your AI's home. We're going to create a safe, totally isolated virtual machine. Think of it like a secure little sandbox for our AI to live and play in. Don't worry, this is actually pretty simple. First, you're going to grab 2 free pieces of software, UTM, which handles the virtual machine, and the Ubuntu operating system. Then, inside UTM, you'll create a new VM, give it about 8 gigs of RAM so it runs nice and smooth, and just run the Ubuntu installer. This whole process keeps Clawdbot completely separate from your main computer, which is just a smart, safe way to do things. Okay, super important tip here. When you're installing Ubuntu, it's going to ask you to create a username and a password. Do not forget these. Seriously, write them down because you will absolutely need them in just a minute to log in. Okay, our AI has a home. Now it's time for the power-up sequence. In this section, we're going to install the core software that actually brings this thing to life. You ready for the magic? Because we're about to install the engine. Now this part involves the terminal, but don't worry, it's literally just a few copy and paste commands. I'll walk you through it. Okay, so you're logged into your new Ubuntu machine, you've got the terminal open. First things first, we need to install a tiny tool called curl. All this does is let us download stuff from the command line. Super simple. Now that we have curl, we're going to use it to tell our system where to find Node.js. That's the programming environment that Clawdbot runs in. Just copy this whole line, paste it in, and hit enter. And finally, with the system pointed in the right direction, this last little command installs Node.js itself. And just like that, the foundation is laid. Easy, right? All right, now for the main event. Installing Clawdbot itself is, get this, just one single line. That's it. Paste this into your terminal, hit enter, and it just handles the entire installation for you. And with that, all the software is installed. We are ready to wake it up. Which brings us to the moment we've been waiting for. Section 3, making first contact. This is where we actually bring our personal AI to life. So to kick this all off, you're going to go back to your terminal and type this one simple command, Clawdbot onboard. This will start up a friendly little setup wizard to walk you through the final steps. The wizard makes this super easy. First, you'll pick your AI model. I'd recommend starting with Claude. Next, choose how you want to talk to it, and we're going to use Telegram. To make that connection, you'll pop over to Telegram and message a special utility called the botfather. It sounds dramatic, but it's just going to give you a unique key called a token for your new bot. You just copy that token and paste it right back into the wizard in your terminal. Okay, here's the payoff moment, the part that makes it all real. Open up Telegram, find the bot that you just created, and send it a message. Just something simple, like, hello. This is your very first conversation with your very own AI. Okay, one last thing to do. We just need to create that secure link between you and your bot. Head back to the terminal one last time and run this command. This tells Clawdbot, hey, trust the messages coming from this specific Telegram account. And boom, you are officially connected. Okay, so you have a working AI assistant, which is awesome. But right now, it's really just a chatbot. In Section 4, we're going to unlock its true power by giving it new skills and connecting it to the real world. The real magic of Clawdbot comes from skills. Seriously, just think of them like apps for your AI. You can give it live web access with Exa Search, let it manage your Gmail or Google Calendar, or even have it help you with your code on GitHub. The possibilities are huge. And this is the part that is just, honestly, it's incredible. You don't need more terminal commands to add these skills. You just talk to your bot in plain English. For example, just message it, add the Exa MCP for web search, and it'll figure out what you mean, find the tool, and configure itself. It is that easy. Hey, one last pro tip for you. Running this in our virtual machine on your laptop is great, but it only works when your computer is on. If you want your AI assistant online 24/7, you can run these exact same steps on a cheap cloud server, a VPS from a place like Hetzner. It'll cost you like $5 a month. And just like that, you did it. In about 10 minutes, you went from absolutely nothing to a fully functional, totally private, and seriously powerful AI assistant that you control. So there's really only one question left. What are you going to command it to do first? Let me know down in the comments.